Hi, today I'm reviewing the Round Lab Soybean Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I'm Sarah from No BS Beauty. I purchase all these products with my own money. If you want to help support the channel, subscribe, like the video, share it, give it a thumbs up. I think I said that. And check out the links below or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so I've got the Round Lab Soybean Serum, which I recorded with my Patreons. And then something went wrong with the recording, so I'm redoing it. But I'll make it as exciting as it was the first time I recorded it. So, okay, so they say this is a bean serum that provides deep nutrition with bean extract and ceramide ingredients to make your skin strong and healthy. Ceramide and other ingredients form a protective moisture barrier to maintain hydration, powerhouse, and skin nourishment. Delivers ceramides, peptides, and soybeans for hydrating and plumping effect. So, I've got all their serums. And I have a note on here about fragrance that I noticed a light herbal scent to it. However, that was their mugwort serum, which I also have, as well as their birch serum. So there's no scent to this one. Okay, in terms of the packaging, this one's plastic. The other two serums I have are in glass, so I don't know when they changed that, but I love the pump on the bottle. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol. There's no fragrance, and there's no light herbal scent because it doesn't have the ingredients the mugwort one has. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So in terms of ease of use, so I used it this morning even. So in skincare, they recommend using this in the step that you would use essence, apply appropriate amount to your entire face. I use this after an essence and a toner, so do whatever you prefer. But I just apply this when I typically apply my serum, which is after my toner, essence, and after cleansing and before other treatments or other moisturizers. So in my morning routine, I applied this product, the Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Jelly, and then the Can Make Mermaid UV Sunscreen, and then my Dr. Jart BB cream over it, and it seemed to all work well. So I've been applying this one in my morning and evening routine. You can do it either one, whichever one you prefer, or both of them. It works great in both of them. It doesn't end up feeling or looking too greasy. A little bit of it goes a decent amount. I've been using it on my face and neck. My neck is super sensitive, so a lot of the time I have to use a different product on my neck than I use on my face. But this one is perfect. I can use it on both of them, which is nice because sometimes my neck gets a bit too sensitive. But it didn't have any issues with this one, probably because it has no fragrance in it. So a little bit of it goes a pretty long way. It's got a water-light serum and really nice. Sets to, once it absorbs, it sets to a slightly radiant finish. That is non-sticky, so no issues at all with that. Okay, in terms of the beneficial ingredients in this one, I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but let me talk about the performance first. Feels really nicely hydrating and soothing at the exact same time. And I believe, from what I know, this is actually a popular brand in Korea. A lot of the brands they make and sell to people out of the country are brands that they don't typically use. I think Round Lab is actually one that's popular there. Another one I think is Sidmul. So I don't know if that matters to you at all, but I think it's interesting to actually hear about what they actually use there. I think like Pyridoxine is not a brand they use there, but this is actually one from what I understand that they actually use there. I'd love to go there someday. I really want to do it like a field trip. Hint, hint. Hint, hint. Very nice combination of ferments, ceramides, antioxidants, skin soothing ingredients. I love the finish of the product, which is non-greasy but still feels hydrating and soothing. It does seem to help heal the skin barrier. I've been doing BBL treatments on my face, which are broadband light treatments, which can be kind of drying. And I've been using these afterwards, and it really helps, and it really feels like it helps hydrate and soothe my skin a bit. And also, I think it's helped brighten up my skin a bit, or it could be the BBL treatment. Or it could be both. It's probably both. Probably more so the BBL treatment, but anyway. It's pretty friendly for most skin types. For acne-prone skin, it contains squalane, Cetearyl, alcohol, and vitamin E, none of which are earth-shatteringly comedogenic. In terms of animal testing, I've reviewed other Round Lab products in the past and instantly knew that they were cruelty-free. However, when I went to review this one, it's been about 9-10 months since I reviewed my last Round Lab product. Maybe longer, possibly. And since then, it appears they've begun selling in mainland China recently. and it's kind of a gray area where they are right now to be safe, because I would never want to recommend something that is not cruelty-free to somebody that wants cruelty-free. I am going to mark them as not cruelty-free. I emailed them, and I have not heard back. It's so annoying. Whatever. So at this point, I consider unclear, but the last thing I'd ever want to do is recommend something not cruelty-free to somebody that's cruelty-free or even, like, vegan, or that would be even worse. So, maybe they'll write back. I don't know. I emailed them at least 2 weeks ago. Maybe I need to email them again. But the fact that they didn't write back...
That's the answer.
Kind of gives me the answer. And if you Google it, the answers are all over the place. There's no real answer, so it's annoying. And you know what? Things are trying to change every day. Even just in the last couple of months, things have changed. So, okay, let's talk about the beneficial ingredients of this one. So we've got Panthenol, a good skin-soothing, anti-inflammatory, wound-healing ingredient. We've got black soybean extract, which is anti-inflammatory, skin-protecting, barrier-repairing. And there's some thought that it might also fade dark spots and help with discoloration. We've got Squalane, skin-identical ingredient, antioxidant. We've got Ceramide NP, Ceramide NS, Ceramide AP, Ceramide AS, Ceramide EOP, and cholesterol and Phytosphingosine, which are all skin-identical ingredients, barrier repair, hydrating. I have a feeling they probably bought a mix of them. They can buy them like pre-mixed with all the ceramides and cholesterol and Phytosphingosine all included, and then mix them into product. I feel that's probably what they did, seeing them all right in the row on the list. We've got Adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. We've got Lactobacillus soybean ferment filtrate probiotic skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Lactobacillus rye flour ferment, another probiotic humectant skin conditioning. Bacillus soybean ferment extract, which is another probiotic with skin conditioning properties. Pantothenic acid, which is a form of provitamin B5 that has hydrating benefits and anti-inflammatory benefits. Folic acid. Folic acid is something that may stimulate fibroblast production in skin and also help with skin DNA repair, especially DNA damage from the sun, which is where most of the damage is from. We've got pyroxidine, also known as vitamin B6, which is an antioxidant and anti-acne ingredient. We've got thiamine, ACL, and riboflavin. They're both vitamins that may have skin conditioning properties. We've got Cyanocobalamin, which is B12. I think I said it right. I just said it very slowly. Maybe. B12 may have antioxidant benefits for skin. We've got Ubiquinone, antioxidant, anti-aging ingredient. Niacinamide, anti-acne, barrier repair, skin brightening. We've got an ingredient that's very long, but it is also known as Sin-Hysan, which is a cell communicating ingredient suggested for firming and remodeling treatments that works well against skin sagging. We've got another ingredient called Cetearyl, which is a cell communicating ingredient known to target wrinkles caused by facial movements such as laughter lines or crow's feet. Betaine, a good humectant. Trehalose, another humectant. Vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. Cocoa extract, another antioxidant. Ascorbyl glucoside, brightening, antioxidant, vitamin C derivative. And then finally, I've got mannitol, which is a humectant. So a very long list of good ingredients in here. I could have added this to my ferment list. I probably should have. But anyway. So a very nice list of soothing ingredients, ceramide ingredients, antioxidants, and some wrinkle fighters in there too, which is nice to see. God, my hand feels so nice and smooth with it on there. Okay, so in terms of the price, so this is the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, and retails for about $30, which for me, it puts it on the cusp of being a little too expensive, although a little bit of this goes a long way. It's on sale frequently, and a normal serum is going to be 1 ounce, so this is a little bit larger than the average serum. It's almost double the size of a normal serum, so that helps too. So then in terms of the it factor, really wonderful serum, great amount of ceramides, great amount of antioxidants. Love that they threw the ferments in here. Enjoy it. There's no fragrance or iffy ingredients. It's friendly for most skin types. It's a little bit pricey. The only bummer is they might not be cruelty-free anymore. But I don't really know because they didn't write back. So anyway, there we go. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave it a 9. Lovely product. Out of their 3 serums I have, this is my favorite. Their birch juice serum would be next. Then the mugwort wasn't as exciting to me as the others. So Anyway, interested in hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.